Hey guys, what's up? What's good? It's your girl Shakeira. Welcome if you're new, and welcome back if you are returning. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I transition from one hairstyle to another protective hairstyle when my hair is not ready to be washed. Now, as you guys can see, if you guys saw my previous video, this hairstyle is my no extensions protective summer style. It was a flat twist and mini twist hairstyle that I did. If you guys are interested in seeing this hairstyle, I will leave it in the cards and also in my description bar so that you guys can check it out. But my hair is not ready to be washed. It is still somewhat clean. My scalp is very clean, so I'm just gonna take this hairstyle out, moisturize my hair, and then do another protective style. Now, if your hair doesn't need washing, it doesn't really make sense to unnecessarily wash your hair. But if you have a lot of product buildup and dandruff and stuff like that, please make sure you wash your hair in between hairstyles. So now I am just going in with this Growth Plus oil from J Organic Solution. So I'm just gonna continue adding some oil to my hair, taking my time unraveling the twist, and when I feel any tangles, I just finger detangle my hair. Now that my hairstyle is out and I've already finger detangled my hair, I'm just going in with this detangling brush to help me detangle my hair a little bit more, and then I'm going to re-moisturize my hair. So for this hairstyle, I am just going in with this Strengthening and Growth Moisturizer from J Organic Solution. I'm mostly using J Organic Solution products for this video. However, this video is not sponsored. And to seal in the moisture, I am just using the Hydra Moisture Moringa Shea Hair Yogurt. Now, this product really surprised me. It appears to be so thick, like I'm turning the jar over and nothing is falling, but at the same time it's super oily and lightweight, which is what I like. So when I'm finished moisturizing a section and sealing in the moisture, I'm just twisting that section up just to keep my hair stretched and prevent it from shrinking. And I'm just gonna continue doing this until my whole head is moisturized. So I'm just showing you guys the amount of hair that came out while I was detangling my hair, and I'm super happy with this because if my hair was wet, it would have been a lot more. So this is why I do not like manipulating my hair while it is wet. So the hairstyle I am doing is an asymmetrical jumbo double flat twist hairstyle, and I'm just going in with my Shine and Jam just to help me clean up my part a little bit. You guys hear me saying this in every video. I love when my hair is very neat, and I find having really clean parting really helps with having a neat hairstyle. So I always make sure I try to get my part as neat as possible, and like I said, I'm using Shine and Jam to help me achieve the look that I am going for. So now I am just going in with some gel to help me with the flyaway hair on each section, and I'm not sure why I did not show the gel while I was recording this hairstyle, but I'm using my Eco Style gel, the olive oil one that I always use, and then I'm just brushing down my hair. Okay, so for those of you who love to see what I do in the back of my head, this portion of the video is really for you guys. Yes, I read all of your comments and I listen to the feedbacks, and I try my best to please each and every one of you, although that is impossible. I still try my best. So I'm just demonstrating to you guys how I pin up my hair in the back, and I really and truly do not have a special way of doing it. I just try to place my hair in a position where it will look as neat as possible, and then I'm just brushing up the nape of my head just to make the hair in the back as neat as possible. I just like to make sure I take care of the little things that we usually overlook that really makes your hairstyle cute and neat. And I do the same thing with my edges, just trying to get them as neat as possible. You guys know by now this is my struggle area in terms of styling my hair, but I think I'm getting better and I would eventually get there. So I just added some gold string and few hair jewelry to this hairstyle just to, you know, give it a little bit of personality. You guys know my style already, and that is basically it, and I'm super happy with the outcome of this hairstyle. So this is basically it, guys. This is a very good protective hairstyle. This can last me for about 5 days to a week. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you like this video. Make sure you comment down below in the comment section. Thank you guys for all the love and support. Thank you guys for 15k subscribers. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment like I said before. Make sure you are subscribed if you haven't joined this family already, and hit the bell so that you are notified every time I upload another bomb hairstyle for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much for your love and support. See you in my next video. Bye.